It's okay to be sad.
I love French toast. But during the process of reversing type 2 diabetes, I could not be eating regular French toast as it always spiked my blood sugar levels. So I had to find a way to make French toast that was so delicious at the same time that would not spike my blood sugar levels because of all the carbohydrates and the added sugar. And that is when I came up with this recipe. Let's get started. We would need half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of 100% stevia, half a cup of almond milk, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and some slices of almond bread. I have linked how I make my healthy bread, so if you have not watched it yet, do well to check it out after this video. We will begin by slicing the bread into any shapes and sizes that we prefer. I did not take my time to slice my bread, so I ended up getting uneven shapes, but that is okay. As long as it tastes great, you are ready and good to go. I decided to cut them into smaller pieces so you see how the bread holds up when making this recipe. Add all ingredients into the bowl you'll be dipping the bread in and mix thoroughly.
It's okay to be sad because it's really bad. Whoa, whoa, wow, Jesus.
Coat your bread with the mixture and fry. I let it sit a while, but many a time when you let the coated bread sit, the mixture starts draining out of the bread. So you're better off coating your bread with the mixture and putting it directly into the frying pan. I poured in 1 teaspoon of olive oil to help fry so it does not stick to the pan. But I believe my heat was too high. Due to that, it was emitting more smoke than it naturally should. So please don't be alarmed if this happens during your process of preparation. It happens to me all the time, and it is absolutely normal. Always remember to fry your toast on medium to low heat and not high heat like I did.
Because it's really bad. Whoa, wow,
Repeat the process until you are all done.
It's okay to be sad because it's really bad. Whoa, wow, Jesus.
I also decided to make regular toast with butter to show you how well the bread works when toasted with butter. I went ahead and increased my heat a little bit because I think that due to the smoking, I had reduced my heat too low. Would you look at that? And just like that, you are done. This bread is not only crunchy, but so delicious, whether toasted in butter or French toasted. You can enjoy this bread with some almond milk or coconut milk, or simply enjoy it with any drink that you prefer. It really doesn't matter because it is simply tasty and delicious. And the best part is, it would not spike your blood sugar levels. It tastes great as is, so you really do not need to add on any syrups or powdered sugar or powdered stevia in this case. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope that you would try it. If you did enjoy this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Do leave me a comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any of my videos. And until next time, remember to be beautiful, be bold, be true to yourself and to others. Stay healthy and always be you.